Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Samanita and this is my channel Makeup and Beauty. So in today's video I am going to talk about some new launches all from Mamaearth. It has been long time that I haven't reviewed anything from this brand, and recently they have launched few products, and that's why I just thought to review few of them on my channel. So without further ado, let's just start this video. So let me show you all the products one by one. So the first product that I'm going to show you is Mamaearth Charcoal Black Long Stay Kajal. So this is the kajal that has been launched by Mamaearth recently. Moving on to the second range of product that has been launched by Mamaearth recently, and it is their tinted lip balm. The price of each lip balm is rupees 299 and you are going to get 2 gram of product. So the two tinted lip balm that I am going to talk in this today's video, one is cocoa tinted lip balm and cherry tinted lip balm, and this is the outer packaging of this lip balm, whereas the lip balm open like this. Now let me show you the products. The lip balm packaging look like this. They comes up in this kind of packaging. The cherry tinted lip balm look like this, whereas the cocoa tinted lip balm look like this. Both the shade of this tinted lip balm has already been shown on the outer packaging of this lip balm. They comes up in a twist up kind of packaging. This is the cherry tinted lip balm and this one is the cocoa tinted lip balm. Let me tell you, the fragrance of both lip balm are awesome. The cherry tinted lip balm have cherry fragrance, whereas the cocoa tinted lip balm have the cocoa fragrance. I love both of them, but if you ask me which one I like most, then let me tell you, I really like the cocoa tinted lip balm just because of the fragrance. I just feel like to eat them, but yes, we can't eat lip balm, I know. So anyways, this is how the packaging of the lip balm look like. The lip balms are really moisturizing on my lips. Right now I am wearing the cocoa tinted lip balm and it look amazing on my lip. Let me tell you, both the lip balm are for everyone. You don't need to worry that whether you are dusky skin tone or fair skin tone or medium skin tone people. All the tinted lip balm are going to look awesome across all skin tone. So winter is all about dry and dullness, and our lips don't need matte lipstick right now. They feel like to have some flush of colors with little bit of moisturize and hydrated, and we are good to go. I mean, they are tinted, so you can get a little flush of color on your lips. Along with that, both the lip balm are hydrated and moisturizing on your lips, and yes, they are really good in healing your cracked lips also. All you just need to properly exfoliate your lips, followed by you can use any one of this tinted lip balm, and your lips are just ready to flaunt. So over in all, I would love to recommend you all to try out this tinted lip balm. Although that cocoa lip balm look like little bit dark here, but on my lips you can see it gives a very brownish pink kind of tinted look on my lips, which I totally love it. Moreover, the fragrance are just to die for. I totally love the fragrance of both of this lip balm. The packaging of these lip balms are really good. They are travel friendly, as you can see, as they comes up in a twist up kind of packaging. You don't need to use your finger to apply this lip balm on your lips, and it took a very small space in your purse or in your makeup space. So definitely you can travel anywhere with this lip balm. So yes, this is all about the lip balm. Now let's move on to the first product that I have already shown you, and that is Mamaearth Charcoal Black Kajal. So this is how the Mamaearth Charcoal Black Kajal look like. This is the outer packaging of the kajal. The price of this kajal is rupees 299 and you are going to get 0.35 gram of product. So this comes up in this kind of twist up packaging. The Mamaearth Charcoal Black Kajal comes up in a white kind of packaging. The kajal look like this. In fact, this is the Mamaearth kajal that I have applied on my upper and lower lid today. So you can see how jet black it is. This kajal is smudge proof, and definitely this is jet black in color. As you can see, I really like it. I have little bit of hooded kind of eyes. I have very small space right here, so every time I applied any kajal on my upper lid area, it always get touch on my crease line area. If I broad open my eyes like so, these are still intact on my upper eyelid area without touching my crease line. So I'm really happy that finally I have one kajal that I can use it as a eyeliner on my upper eyelid area, because sometimes you don't want to use eyeliner and you just don't want that sharp line on your upper eyelid area. Sometimes you feel to apply something smudging kind of look on your upper eyelid area, and I feel like this kajal is just perfect for creating that look. I really like how this kajal is intense black in color. I mean, I have swatched it on my hand and one stroke and I am just bowled over. Now this Mamaearth Charcoal Black Long Stay Kajal nourish your eyes, giving them an intensified deep black look with just one stroke. This kajal is waterproof and smudge proof, and it has a long lasting formula. It just glides smoothly on my eyelid and it creates a beautiful intense black eye look. Now this kajal is made safe certified and formulated with natural ingredients like vitamin C and chamomile, which are really good for eyes. So all you just have to do, you just have to open the cap of this kajal, you have to twist it up and you just have to apply it on your upper eyelid area and also on your lower eyelid area, and you can repeat the process until you get this bold intense look. 2 or 3 strokes is just enough to get this kind of intense look. The removing of this kajal is also very hassle free. I have Mamaearth micellar water with which I just easily remove this kajal. Yes, although it is a very intense black kind of kajal, but definitely it is very easy to remove, and that's why it is also hassle free.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car, hit the button, drive real far, but that record only died. Oh, I'm dreaming of you, I dream of a new night. Fight in the dark till we see the sunlight. My love, it's you and I. Close, close and cool like this fire. So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high. You can't wait to see me now, 'cause lately you've been feeling down. You lay awake alone at night. Oh, like your life inside a car. Forget the world and drive real far.
So overall, I really like all the 3 products from Mamaearth that I have just started using, and that's why I would love to recommend you to try out these 3 products. If you are looking for some good kajal, then this is the perfect kajal that you can use it for your daily wear or for creating an intense eye look like I did. Along with that, I would say that in this year, winter tinted lip balm is much trending right now. I feel like these are perfect for creating that tinted look on your lips or that flush of color on your lips. So yes, that's complete my today's video over Mamaearth new launches, and I hope you like this video and find it helpful. Do comment below in the comment section and let me know your thoughts regarding this video. I am signing off with a promise to be back in another video pretty soon. Until then, stay beautiful, stay stylish, and yes, do check out this new launches all from Mamaearth. Bye.